Good morning, girls and boys. This is a beautiful Thursday. We are almost at the end of the week, and I'm so excited. Tomorrow is our Google Meet. Make sure that you look for my message about how to log in to Google Classroom. Remember, to log into Google Meet, you have to log into Google Classroom first. So try that today. Try logging into Google Classroom. I had sent all of you your logins. Scroll through your messages to look for that information and log into Google Classroom first and then join Google Meet. I'm so excited to see you tomorrow. I hope a lot of you come online so we can have a fun session. All right. Now, today in math, I chose to teach you about base 10 numbers. When we were in school, you really enjoyed doing this. You learned about this. So let's practice how to use base 10 blocks to figure out what number this is, right? We don't know this number. We have to figure it out. So in school, we learned that 1 cube is 1, right? It's in the ones place. And the tens over here, or the longs, have how many cubes in them? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one long has 10 cubes. So when we count them by tens. 10, 20, 30, right? Okay, let's look over here at this grid we have here, right? Let's count. There are longs. These are longs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 longs in here. And if you count them by tens, it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, right? There are 100 cubes in here, little cubes. Okay, good job. Now let's look at this awesome website we have here. So say I want to write the number. Let's see, I'm going to drag this over here. This is 100. Look up here, it says 100. So this is one flat. So if I had to put two flats, what's the number over here? If all of these longs count up to 100, I have two 100s. So the answer will be 200, because this is 100 plus 100 gives you 200. All right, let's look at another one. Let's clear this off. And look for the eraser. I haven't used this before, so it's really fun. I'm gonna send this link to you so you can use it too. All right, now I want to think of a number. I want to get 31. So I need 30, right? So I need 30. How am I going to represent 30? I know that this one long has 10, and when I count it, I count by tens. So 10, 20, and 30, and the number I'm thinking of is 34. So now to add that 4, I need cubes. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. Let me move them here. And this is how we're going to count them. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So my answer is Oops. Right? So we have 34. Okay. Same thing. Let's try another one. Let's try this. So let's go back actually and let's go back to our other screen and work on our sheet, and now we're going to practice. So I'm going to help you with the first one. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I'm going to write my answer down here. 34. Okay, let's do the one on the bottom here. So I know that this is a flat, and I know that a flat has 100 cubes in it. So I'm going to say 100. I'm going to count this whole entire flat, and I'm going to say 100. So let me write that number there, 100, right? In the hundreds place, there is 100. There's 1. And then do you see any tens here? Do you see any longs? I don't see any longs. So in the tens place, I'm going to put a 0. Okay. And then we have how many ones? So we have 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. 104. Okay. So this is how it looks like when you have place value. This is 100. This is tens place, and this is ones place. So in this case, we have, hold on 1 second, my friends. Let me just increase this page. Need the eraser. So 100, tens, and ones. So I'm going to put 100 in its place, 100, because I have one flat. There are no tens, so I'm going to put a 0. And how many cubes do I have? I have 4. So that's your answer, 104, 104. All right, let's look at the, let's look at the one below it, okay? So the one below it, we have, again, I'm going to write it over here for you to, actually, let's write it on this side. How many hundreds do you see? I have one flat, right? So there's only 100. How many tens do you see, or how many longs do you see? I see only one long here. So I'm going to put 110. So let's count this: 100, 100, 110, right? And how many cubes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the ones place, I'm going to put 5. Let's count it now. 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. So my answer is 115. I hope you follow this. I hope you understand it. I hope I made it easy for you. If you still have questions, please make sure you give me a call and I will answer it. Okay, and I'll help you out on the phone. All right, have a fun learning day, my friends. I shall see you tomorrow.